Today I'm showing you a portrait I painted a few months ago when I was in Nebraska for a few days. For those of you who don't know, I live in Mexico, but I keep an office, a second home, and an office in Lincoln, Nebraska, where my sister lives. And I have an office there so that when I ship art to you, or rather when my assistant in Lincoln ships art to you, it can be shipped from the US, which is cheaper, safer, faster. It's just better all around. So that's why I maintain an office and studio in Nebraska. Anyway, I was there recently and I had some time to do some painting, and that's when I painted the portrait you're going to see today. Jefferson modeled for me in Brazil back in 2022. Recently, I decided I wanted to do a portrait of him, so this is the photograph I started with, and I decided to crop it. And then I did my usual Photoshop tweaks to make it easier to paint from. This is a pretty straightforward acrylic painting. Usually it takes me 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 days to finish a painting, but with this one, it was fairly simple and I got lucky and I was able to finish it in a single afternoon. The time lapse that goes by in about 4 minutes compresses about 3.5 hours of actual painting time. The painting is called Portrait of Jefferson.